Hi everybody, Mark here. Here's another video in our series of how to use a Google Doc to track your affiliate ads that you're working with when you're working with SafeList, traffic exchanges, and so forth. You're going to want to have some means by which you can track these ads that you've set up for yourself, and then and make it easy to copy and paste those ads into the sites that you want to promote them on. So for me, this system works. You've haven't watched the previous videos to this one, please do. They're only short videos, and you'll get a feel for how we built this document and how we got to this point here. So I have another email ad that I've added in here, get paid to promote or serve links. And here's the text for it, and here's the URL for it. And wow, this all looks pretty plain and pretty, confusing, because what's all this going on down here? And this looks much better. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you how I got this to look like this. So again, we have an email body, and in this case, or excuse me, we have an ad identifier and an ad title in the first and the second column. So the ad identifier for this one happens to be it's on rotateforall.com. So let's call this one Rotate for All Ad 1. You can call it whatever you want. Doesn't need to be bold. So we'll get rid of that. Okay, so then we have our ad identifier, our ad title. Now, to go to what I was saying about before, here's another typo. As easy as it get, well, it should probably say gets, and so we can fix that pretty quickly here too. So you may want to do what I did here in this one. We're having this please visit our other sites area. And that's exactly what's going on here. They kind of, it's all kind of pushed together. So this is supposed to say Mark Miller, webmaster of homebizweb101.com. And then that's all that's supposed to be on that line. Okay, so I'm going to have to drop that other part down a couple pages or a couple of lines. And then after this greater than sign, again, that's the end of that. That's where it should end. Here's where the code ends. Here's where the new topic ends. I'm just going to push that down. Start to make it look a little bit more like this section up here now. Okay, and then claim your free advertising sites. Okay, here's the website for that. And then free ebook, that's the next subject. So now we're going to push that down. And let's see, insider advertising report is the next one down. Okay, and let's see here. Oh, here's another one here. So there's 4 or 5. Submit your ad to 81,000 members. Okay, so we've got them parsed out into each individual ad. And what I want to do is now hyperlink or add this URL address right here to this description above it. So I'm going to take and I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to cut it out of there. And I don't need this greater than sign anymore, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then I'm just going to highlight all this. Okay, then I'm going to come up to this little icon up in the top that says insert a link. So I click on that, and the part that I cut, I'm going to paste in here and click apply. Now see how it turned from a plain text into an actual link, just like these are up here. And up here I've taken and separated them with these equal signs. You don't have to do that, but you can. It just depends on your personal preference. Let's do the same thing for this one here. So here's the URL. We're going to highlight that, and we're going to cut that. And I use Control X or Command X to the keyboard shortcut. You can right click on your mouse and do cut as well. And then we'll come back up here to this insert link, paste that information in here, and click apply. Now here's the third one.